Hello students, let us study about how do organisms reproduce. Chapter 8, class 10th. First, let us study about reproduction. The production of new organism from existing organism of the same species. The species is same. There is a production of new organism. That is known as reproduction. It is very essential for survival of the species on the earth. Okay, it is very essential, and the process of reproduction ensures the continuity of life on the earth. It helps for the continuation of the life on the earth, means that generation is not completely evolved, it's not diminished, it comes to the next generation. Okay, there are two types of reproduction. One is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. What do you mean by asexual? Asexual means there are two types of cells in sexual reproduction. One is unicellular and another one is the multicellular cells. Okay, asexual, there is no sex organs are involved in the reproduction, and without involving the sex cells there is a reproduction occur, then it is known as asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction means there is a involvement of sex organs and the reproduction is occur, then it is known as sexual reproduction. Okay, let us study one by one. Now let us study about asexual reproduction. Okay, asexual reproduction, it is the definition of asexual reproduction: the production of new organism from a single parent without the involvement of sex cell is called sexual reproduction. What it will happen means the production of new organism, there is a formation of new organism and there is no involvement of sex cell, is called asexual reproduction. There are six types of sexual reproduction. One is fission, another one is budding, and spore formation is third one, regeneration is fourth one, fragmentation is fifth one, and vegetative propagation is sixth one. Okay, and we'll study one by one. Okay, fission means what? It's occur in a unicellular organism. Okay, the cell division or fission leads to the creation of new individual. Binary fission, the parent cell, it undergoes enlarge and split into two cells. Nucleus also divides and there is a formation of two nuclei and separates, and two new organisms are formed. Examples are amoeba and paramecium. Multiple fission means the parent organism split into many new organisms at the same time, means number of new organisms are formed, then it is known as multiple fission. That is plasmodium is the good example for that one. Okay, see, in multiple fission, the parent organism split into to form many new organisms like plasmodium. And one more examples, in unicellular organism, somewhat more organism of their bodies, such as seen in leishmania, which causes kala azar, which have a whip-like structure at one of the cell. Such organism binary fission, it divides and definite orientation relation to the uh, these structures. These are the single celled organism such as the malarial parasite plasmodium